Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt in a slow cooker. First, gather your ingredients. 1 gallon of whole milk and a half cup of plain yogurt with live active cultures as your starter. Ensure your slow cooker is clean and have an instant treat thermometer ready. This method is a fantastic way to enjoy fresh, homemade yogurt and save money, requiring only about 15 hours total, with very little active preparation time. Begin by pouring 1 gallon of whole milk into your slow cooker. Set it to the low setting and heat for about 2.5 to 3 hours until the milk reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This scalding step is crucial for a thick, creamy yogurt. Next, turn off and unplug the slow cooker, allowing the milk to cool to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This cooling period also takes around 2.5 to 3 hours. Always use your thermometer to confirm the temperature. Once your milk has cooled to the correct temperature, it's time to add your starter. Take about 1/2 cup of plain yogurt with live cultures and mix it with a cup or 2 of the warm milk from the slow cooker to temper it. Then, gently stir this mixture back into the main batch of milk. Replace the lid, wrap your slow cooker in a thick towel or blanket for insulation, and let it incubate undisturbed for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. The longer it sits, the tangier your yogurt will be. After incubation, your yogurt is ready. Transfer it to containers and refrigerate for a few hours. It will continue to thicken as it chills. If you prefer a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, simply strain it through a cheesecloth-lined colander for several hours. You can customize your yogurt with fruit, honey, or granola. Remember to check the description below for a link to this insightful book and other great deals. Store your delicious homemade yogurt in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, and save a 1/2 cup for your next batch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.